Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Ogwu Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu rift before Makajugo. Abụ onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi lụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ Secret Society and Ogwu ego. Gịnị ka m na-achịkọwa maka ya? Achọrọ m ka nkụzi a ihe ji nkụzi a ji wee dabụ because of what is happening in society now. So I want to take the bull by the horn. Ịkọwala gị ihe bụ the so-called secret society. Yes, or open society, as case may be. Ma ọ bụ ihe ndị mmadụ na-ata ama ọgwụ ego, no thanks to Nollywood, because Nollywood so n'ihe melo ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ ji wee nwee negative opinion concerning how things work. Nke bụ eziokwu na some of those story writers I nwere faint idea of how things work and the reality. Some of the script is based on imagination of the writer or maybe the director. Then ọbụchana etu akọdụ, so therefore ọ bụrụzie a misleading idea to the coming generation. So today nkụzi ị ga-anụ taa ga-agbagharị because inubero dị am. Yes, it's second to none. Ihe nchọ ka nkụwara gị taa bụ ihe ị ga-amata mara ka things si alụ ọrụ na creation, ka ị ghara isoro onye ofeke na-eme experiment. And in order to make some experiment, ọ ga-enwe some casualties. Ebe ọ na-eche na no etu a ka ihe si dị wire ọ bụrụ etu a. Yes, before we dive into today's lecture, echefuna na in the month of August, our group ritual for the month is ongoing. You can join us anywhere you are all over the world. Distance is never a barrier. Yes, this show to go in the temple, go for make declaration upon the lives of those that join us, the friends of the temple, the children of the temple, the members of the Restoration Evangelical Mission, and the consecrated group. We keep doing like this till the last day of the month. I get a minute, pay you and I have madudum. Then a temple, chuaja, mesaraka, then even chuaja buebu. Kekwas UK, Kendamosu, Nando, Maduni in India. Now, all already interested in this way, and I am at you carry go 3 years now. You don't share testimonies on social media. Mabonezio TV, but cannot draw necessary. But I can tell you that you couldn't we are. I'm only interested. Chat am na WhatsApp. If forward or 3 prayer requests, I get even altar. Then make token donation to the account number. The chat is na WhatsApp. One got other details we need for you in order to book you. Second announcement, na chekwawo. Makande child of the temple. On echefuna na annual festival anyị na abụ 16th of September this year. Echefukwana na this particular year festival is very unique because it's a special festival. In a special festival, it says that no more than this particular 16th of September, I get lay a foundation stone for the place of worship of Chukwu Premi Henine. Yes, in the Venezuela, we have got the pictures on Ezoku TV on our social media platforms. Man, if you can chat me on WhatsApp. Then I go see the picture of the proposed place of worship. Now, however, our fans and they so part and parcel of that place of worship of Chukwu Premi can actually chat me. Then for the whole child of the temple, remember now annual festival of this year, they are very unique. However, you are expected wherever you are all over the world that I contribute to your own annual contribution toward this consecration and the festival. Now, number is 0805 7837672 or 0813824381. Now, in the screen, you have that number. Now, let's dive into today's lecture. Mad long, but if you pay attention, in what I hear at this lecture, all the very unique. Get a can name about secret society. When we are growing up, then I know so many secret societies and everything, and as a child, too inquisitive to find out things. I had opportunity to be able to do my investigations and interact with so many sects and group or esoteric groups. And then what I want to tell you that in Nigerian concept, people normally see a group of people coming together as friends and people that believe in the one belief. And when they don't understand what they believe in or what they teach and what they are believing, they term them secret society. So, and then most of them, people normally believe that they're into human trafficking, money ritual, and so-called Ogwu in quote. But let me tell you, if I ask you, some of you, I remember when we were growing up, I saw Nandina wife funding the so-called people and us in Ogwu, I will begin to run away. And because while we are doing so, we thought that na had a boom mother. Yes, but I can tell you, what he had can even mother go be. You got that? What is it trouble now? He has only a hands neighbor mother go be. The only person where he can now commit that's only art now commit a crime. Neighbor mother, a gara, very able, only kidnapper. So only an age out on the mother, neighbor the mother, now for ransom. My name is on the first lane. Now the law will catch up with him, with the person, and even the law of karma, both physical law, government law, and the law of karma will eventually catch up with the person, because the person will definitely have short life. Makana woman is na mana. So whoever that is doing into those kind of buying people unnecessarily, then all they did to for ransom, all they did what they can say that they earn money from it. But only about an asking, yeah, but is in Negim or but is in Nagige, where Melo pot of charm, or put a joke with the hard drop. Yes, go to me anywhere. Some of them that they may wouldn't die about Sahak. And why let me tell you what will shock you. Some of this is in our phone in our book. When you got now 3.5 million, 5 million. You're a very good kid, or got any now scam. What do you hear? What do you honor? You all this is all where you go on ignorant people when you go who all where gear. You tell ya? You hear the what the honor? Yes, what the honor? But I was maybe tomorrow because they get to champion wall. That thing that I don't go when he care based on that because now you want to work believe in it. But I can't sorry for another day. But you're not check one again. No, what another go now saying no what he had 18 years, a pass and 18 years go where but the way go. Here we are imagination. I'm going to know 18 years passing Marco and I'm a palm up neighbor take any now for far. Okay, ego with the process, ego jabia. You go, ego with process, man, I tomorrow, but some accused how charms work and the limitation. Because the limit here, the very, very low. Yes, then Kaga, then Macandela had a few now, then when secret society now mutego, okay, you have been deceived because of maybe here now for that Hollywood, maybe here now for and those in Hollywood. So now high of Aqua, so now you go. Oh, guy, had that amazing. Be doctor. Yeah, Jabo Lagos. So I been with room, yeah, Hollywood mindset. Okay, or the amazing. Let me tell you. I can tell you no more mindset. I want to send them as esoteric groups, name them for the way you say, isn't the market dimension what they will secure society. I say they can, they grab say, yeah, or guy here now. Now knowledge can pass. What the head do? So I have knowledge. Then you cite example that okay, malo he nature. No, two, them matter about one them matter how things work. Yes, I will tell you with full chest. I want to go sing Yahoo. You got that? I sing gum who. What any 10 money. The only thing there is esoteric knowledge in a chop is for you to widen your knowledge in esoteric, which eventually is a knowledge. Then you got to deal on certain things in creation in life. Is widen your knowledge of esoteric knowledge, but nothing more. Mark will make you even sube. Makanaso days are your and match it like no that they were the case and on they can cut. Then what is it can cut simple means. Makanaso language or they can. Here I will just way of the spirit, the egg. Yes, the spirit. The Ka is the way. The Ekanka, the way of the spirit. They believe in a lot of sound and light. Then Does he, if he sees somebody belongs to a kanka, he's just looking for knowledge. Yes, the person is not looking for knowledge. But if I want to hope that na even a group of secret people Yahweh by any in whatever oga, he don't understand how things work. And when he had it here, I can tell you without missing words. The one I know now, in na village again, before then I walk Google are a kissed for over 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, on our Bokada. And I go, Mona also other menial jobs. So, one on yet, we can now for one of feels or they had a exist. No, maybe once you become an kiss, no, I put go big, more no, any secret something over Nayabu, what a mother or go they had. You will be disappointed. I can tell you. I understand somebody with a vast knowledge. That you are singing who does not bring money. You understand? Money will process. Yes, if I say benefit in where you can see the from those knowledge. You understand? Man, what has nothing to do with money. Money with the principle. And you this generation they focus on money. So some of them, I was in a hand well the mindset here. I was in no four the clueless. Not all forever. I say that na enwere ike iweta isi mmadụ ọ bụrụ ọgawụrụ eziokwu ụfọdụ na-anọkọta ignorant people o nwere ike ọsọ onye gbuo mmadụ nye mmadụ si ndị mmadụ nọ na fọm kọt ọ ga ihe anyị nwere ihe ọgwụ ego ụnụ na-atụkọtarị ya bụ ego o ji abụ odogwu nwere ihe ị na-ewu nọnsens onye nke gị gburu igbu gị nwere ihe ọgwụ then ụfọdụ ndị mmadụ nwere ike isi ka great message is just a group of people that seek for knowledge through the wisdom of Abroshin and everything. They read the books and everything. It's just a group of people seeking for higher knowledge. So overall now my mindset for all these esoteric groups is beyond the knowledge and the wisdom. Not because of money. Yes, read all the volumes. Read all the volumes from volume 1 to volume 3. At the end of the day, the only thing is knowledge. And you understand how things work here, practicalize it. Then the benefit of all knowing, having an esoteric knowledge is that if you have esoteric knowledge, to some extent you understand how things work in creation, and somebody cannot deceive you easily in the name of telling you to go and buy a mama or buy a papa because no young adigo knowledgeable, malo no bude to a social work. The benefit, let me tell you what you don't know. The benefit they get as a group is that if you are in a group, maybe one of them is in a director in Abuja, and where WhatsApp group, and where a job opening in Abuja, or two in a group, one member says, job opening in case if you are interested, and where job opportunity more one thing, only to have a more of they recommend you. Yes, because we lift ourselves by lifting others. It's like helping each other with brotherly love. Man, ọ na mmadụ sị gị na enwere ebe a ga-abụ edebere uru ma ime ego abịa ọ ga-ụdị ha adọrọ hapụ Nollywood ma ebe a sị ebe eze abrakata ego ga-adị enwe wardrobe ego ihe niile na mindset of Nollywood, and those mindset they deceive our youth. Therefore onwe ofu useless babalawo nọ somewhere si aje ebute isi nne ma isi nwanne ka e wee mere ya ọgwụ che na ihe abụ eziokwu, because those things in Nollywood does not exist. And I can tell you with full chest, I have been into esoteric over 20 years. Yes, and I can tell you that those things doesn't work. The thing is that they were the principle that governs the universe. Although if you want to create money, be successful, take like one, take like successful people, be able to be a solution provider, be able to sell something. Now when services in a lender, then all services here for that your services or your goods, you give it money value. Example, you are a son. Somebody will get your take attention for calling here name. He will advise you. He said, "My consultation fee is 100K. All you feel only water, yeah, or 100,000 in your audience." You know, so your services, you monetize your services. Only when you allow him and why him in a shop, he monetizes, he give it value. Only if you know why he water, you and they build a brand. A system for you to be wealthy, you have to build a system that you will be leveraging from other people's effort. Meaning that you can be in Abuja and like Nogan, and the people that are working for you, making money for you. That at that stage, if you get wealth, if you get wealthy man, because you don't need to work before you earn. Either you are leveraging from other people's effort. Like Alhaji Ali Dangote can actually be in Dubai for 1 month and they go around area because what build the system on the there is any money for leveraging from other people working for him. So that is the system. Whenever you are into looking for money, if you are not working, you will not earn. You are not wealthy then, because once you stop working or you are sick, money stop coming. So what I'm saying, let a system that gives money. Don't allow any babalawo to deceive you. Now when only you able to money or where you go, but there's your they go to family anya. Onwere ụmụnne ya ma ụmụnne ya, ọ bụrụ na ego dị like that, ọ ga-emere ihe ndị nke. Mana adụ to na nwere obere shallow play. A na-deceive gị. Ije na-egbu nwanne gị na-asị na onwere ihe ndị arịa work. Ọnwa eji egbu mmadụ, ọ na-achọ ka o mee experiment ka ọ maa na ya work. At the end of the day, ọfụ na work. And onye riri erigo gị. Nwanne gị gburu igbu gị. So anyị na-agwa ihe na-awụ ihe o ji awa ma ọsọ na ọ ya etinye pasị mmadụ dị afọ ọkpọrọ 5 million for okite ikwere nye. Ihe na-awụ deceive, ihe na-awụ scam. Let me stop here. Yet learn how things work. Those hire a esoteric group is just for knowledge. And where or anything like water magma or water packet in there, I can tell you. Yes. Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na odi ihe siri m ike nke Chineke na-apụghị. Izi m ụzọ m ga-esi luwo ya. N'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke meworo m ya. Ya gazie. May the blessing of Chineke be with you all. May you be protected. May you be favored. Now and forevermore. Go and dominate. Go and be a winner. Ya gazie.